Barangay LS 97.1.
Nagbabalik po ang Wanted Sweetheart sa Barangay LS 97.1 Tugstugan na. Naku mga kabarangay, kayo po ba'y namumblema? Kayo po ba minsan ay di malaman kung anong only ang inyo pong susubscribe? Napapakanta po kayo, sana dalawang only nyo, ganyan-ganyan. Napapaisip ko, ano ba, only text ba ako? Mag-only call, aba, may good news po kami sa inyo mga kabarangay, mga katropa sa Talk and Text. Ito po mga kabarangay, Talk and Text. Yung only text to all networks, pwedeng-pwede na po yan. Plus, only call sa mga katropa mong talk and text. Doon may sinasabi ako sa kanila yung mga kabarangay natin, mga katropa. Kasi, syempre, mahilig sa text and tawag, diba? Hihirapan yan only text saka only call, diba? Ngayon, yung talk and text, ating mga kaibigan from Talk and Text, meron silang promo ngayon it's only text to all networks plus only call sa mga talk and text natin ng mga katropa. And it's only 20 pesos per day. You know? 20 lang.
Yeah, that's
diba?
Pretty cheap. You guys should do it.
Yan na. At para po makapag-register, para panalong-panalo ang inyong pong pag-only, type AP20 send to 4545. Mga katropang talk and text. Ayan, AP20 send to 4545. Mga kabarangay at hanggang March po yan, 2014 ang promo na yan. So, ayun, basta sa Talk and Text, panalo mga kabarangay. Kasama pa rin po ni Papa Dan ngayong gabi, Miss Donalyn Bartolome. Yun. At napakarami pong likes na ng kanya pong pinost sa kanyang FB. Like almost 6,000 likes already.
Really? Wow.
Yes, right Dave? 6,000, almost 6?
My followers
6K?
are amazing.
Wow! 6,000. Wow. Dami mong Sabi, actually, alam mo, Donna, may nakita akong list sa FB. I don't know if this is an official list of some sort. Para mga, the top 50 FB stars in the Philippines. Your name is on top of the list.
Really?
I saw that list. Wow. Have you seen it? I'm gonna show it to you later. Parang may mga gumawa, there are people who made that list. And the mga sikat, the popular people sa Facebook. Your name is number 1.
Wow.
I'm gonna show it to you later. Later. Pakita ko sa yan. Wild. Ain't that wild? Okay. Yan po mga kabarangay. At kasama po natin ngayon ang inyo pong paborito na si Miss Donalyn Bartolome. At siya po ay tutulungan tayong makahanap ng sweetheart. Kayo pala na makahanap ng sweetheart. The numbers 924-3093-927-8862. I found the list already. Sabi dito, hello, ayun, most popular teen, most active Facebook users. Number 1, most popular teen, Donalyn Bartolome, right there.
Wow.
Number 1. 50, top 50. Your name is number 1. Yeah, they made a list. Probably.
No, it's all because of my followers,
just one,
not me.
There. That's her name.
That's for sure.
Number 1. Top 50. In the Philippines.
That's pretty cool.
Hindi ka naman masyado popular ng ginagawa mong ganyan. Hindi naman popular. Ano ba yan? So, yan po mga kabarangay. At si DJ B. Donna. Andito po mga kabarangay. At in a few, maririnig nyo na po ang LM4M since ang dahil naman
Oh my gosh! Narinig nyo na yung song ko.
Gusto mo bang ikaw mag-introduce ng song mo? I think it's just right, mga kabarangay. Ayan at lakasan nyo na po ang inyong mga radyo, yung mga nakikinig natin mga kabarangay. I'm sure marami nagre-record nito ngayong gabi.
Well, about the song, kasi paano ko ba i-explain? Ang daming mga nagko-comment sa akin na napaka-perfect ko daw, everything, mga ganun. Alam niyo yun? Para sa akin, nagigilty ako kasi alam ko sa sarili ko that I'm not perfect. So, this song is all about that. Loving the people who loves me for me. Kahit magulo man ang buhok ko, kahit may pimples man ako, kahit may sakit ako, o may makeup o wala, alam mo yun, mahal pa rin nila ako sa ako lang, alam mo yun. Hindi yung dahil kung ano-ano lang naka-plastic ang nakikita nila sa akin.
Yan. Kaya gusto ka nila eh. Alam mo yun, yung sarili mo pinapakita mo
Oo,
sa kanila.
lahat ng mali ko, tinatanggap ko, hindi ko tinatago. So, this song, sobrang nakaka-relate siya para siya sa lahat. Pwede siyang para kay God, sa nanay mo, tatay mo, sa lahat ng nagmamahal sa'yo, lalo na sa best friend mo, yung ganun.
Yun na, mga kabarangay.
So, you can relate to it.
Live ngayong gabi sa Wanted Sweetheart, the world premiere. This is the world premiere of Donalyn Bartolome's song, and she will introduce her song right now. First time on the air. Donna, take it away.
Hello everyone, this is LM4M by me. I hope you guys like it.
Sa Wanted Sweetheart, tugstuga na.
I know you think when you see me, my life ain't nothing but lights, camera, TV. I've got someone that's more than all that. Picks me up, puts me down, keeps my head from spinning in the clouds. They don't really care about the shiny fancy things, 'cause they know that they don't last. 10 trillion stars shine so bright. Got all I need by my side. Don't need to check out others when I'm at my worst or at my best. I know you love me for me. Don't mind the fact my hands are mess, like hands are in my party dress. You love me for me. If you feel me, say it one time. Say it one time. If you feel me, say it one time. You love me for me. Baby, you got a mansion. Jewelry cost money and some I didn't mention. You got someone worth more than all that. Likes your dress, how you are, and can love you when you're near and when you're far. I'm telling you to hold on till I'm there and ready to fly. Now sing this to them now. 10 trillion stars shine so bright. Got all I need by my side. Don't need to check out others when I'm at my worst, my best, my best. You love me for me. Don't mind the fact my hands are mess, like hands are in my party dress. You love me for me. One thing is certain, yeah. One thing is true. When I am hurting, I can count on you. You don't ever have to doubt me, 'cause there's one thing for sure. Don't need to check out others when I'm at my worst, my best, my best. You love me for me. Don't mind the fact my hands are mess, when hands are in my party dress. You love me for me. If you feel me, say it one time. Say it one time. If you feel me, say it one time. You love me for me.
Beautiful song, LM4M, Love Me For Me. Live sa Wanted Sweetheart, Donalyn Bartolome and Goosebumps. Dahil mga binabasa ko yung mga tweet ng mga kaibigan natin, they're crying, right? I don't know why.
They're crying.
Even your fans, yeah, they're so happy na narinig na on here.
Naiiyak ako.
Congratulations. I personally like the song, Donalyn.
Thank you. Salamat po.
Galing nitong song na to ah. So, you were telling me kanina, you wrote a part of the song, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
I wrote the second verse.
Love Me For Me. And based
Narinig
on...
po ako sino ako.
Yun na po mga kabarangay. And where did you record this? Dito ba sa Philippines?
LA.
LA, yeah. Talaga alam mo yung tunog eh. Talaga foreign and international. The quality is...
something new.
Oh yes. But this is OPM, my dear friends, if that's safe to say, huh? Of course,
That's right.
our very own Donalyn Bartolome, Donna Bartolome right here sa Wanted Sweetheart in the background. And soon, mapapakinggan nyo po dito sa Barangay LS 97.1. I-request nyo lang po ng request. And we're gonna play that song every day.
Wow.
Wow! Okay, yan na po mga kabarangay. And Papa Dan.
Hindi ako makahinga.
Sobrang love na love ko po yung song na I Love You, Ate Donna. Sabi dito, beautiful song.
Thank you.
I agree. Also, our friend, Papo Matty is tuned in. Sabi na, he likes your song.
Oh, thank you, Papa Mike.
Wow! And also to Tito Austin, good evening. Yan po mga kabarangay. Ganda talaga nung song. You know? I think I'm gonna play this one more time later before, this will be our last.
Yay.
I really like it. I'm gonna put this in my, whatever.
Yes.
Ganda nung song.
And the meaning
Yes, yun na nga actually. Love me for me. Kahit sino pa. Papa Dan, good evening po. So I'm just gonna read out, ito, pang Grammys na po, Papa Dan. Nice. Papa Dan, I want a fan sign from Ms. Donna later on. Mga barangay, hashtag LM4M Wanted Sweetheart. The premiere just happened. Mga kabarangay. At, sweet, I can't get over it. Yan.
That's my favorite part sa song.
Oh, well, nice. Alright, good evening also to my cousin and yung girlfriend niya. Sobrang, fans mo sila eh.
Oh, hello there.
John, Mark, and Donalyn, same name.
Oh, yeah.
Donalyn din.
Kita. Alam mo yan, te.
I like that. Reynold, Anthony, and Edsel, magandang gabi po sa inyo mga kabarangay. Let's go to our lines. And masyado po kayong masaya mga kabarangay. Napakaswerte nyo ngayong gabi. April 29. Am I right? Yes.
Is it?
Yes, it is. Donalyn Bartolome, mga kabarangay. LM4M. Astig, the song, Papa Dan. Awesome. Wow,
Thank you, guys. Oh my gosh.
You made my night, Donalyn, sabi dito. And my April. I'm solved na. Okay na ako. Sabi dito. So, ayun po. Okay, ito na. Kausapin na po natin ng mga wanted sweetheart. Hello, good evening. What's your name? Okay. She got too excited. Collapsed. Okay, ito na. Hello, good evening. What's your name?
Hello?
Hi. Okay, fine. Hi, what's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Hello?
Hello. Good evening.
Hey, Papa Dan.
Hi, good evening. What's your name?
Ronaldine.
Ronalyn. Wow, parang Donalyn na rin ah. Hi,
Hello, Ronaldine. Hi, Ate Donna.
Wow. Kilala mo ba si Ate Donna mo?
Yes po.
You know.
Really? Do you watch my videos? Opo. What's your favorite one?
Oh, yeah.
O yung buko. You like my buko.
Okay. Hello.
Thank you for watching.
Okay. Narinig mo yung song niya? Ito, narinig mo kanina, LM4M?
Opo.
Ano masasabi mo sa song?
Ang ganda po.
Maganda daw yung song. She likes it.
Nakikilig ako. Huwag ka dyan.
This is a good song. Thank you for
you.
doing something really decent. But really, I like it. I think I'm a fan of everything. What's happening right now? Galing. I'll play this every night.
Oh,
I promise you, I'll play this every night.
oh my God.
This is really cool. Oh, hello.
Kilig ako.
Hello?
Hello, what's your name?
Rona,
Ronaldine, yeah.
yes.
Ronaldine.
Hello to Franco Chan. Say hello to Franco.
Hello, Franco Chan.
And also to Mara, they're tuned in. Fans mo na din
Hello,
daw sila.
Mara. Oh.
Ayan.
Hello. Hello, Ronaldine. How old are you? 18 po. We're the same age. Wow.
Wow. Anong motto mo in life? Yan ang mga tanong.
Yeah?
Anong motto mo? Wow, nice very nice.
Sabi niya.
Hello?
Hello, Papa Dan.
Oh, si Rona. Nasaan si Rona?
Hello.
Where's
Hello?
Rona?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hindi mo ba marinig? Hindi po.
Oh, pero ang labo, di ba?
Okay, sige.
Ang labo, di ba? Labo.
Ronaldine, ano daw motto mo in life?
Yan.
Hello? Because mine used to be books before boys because boys brings babies.
Ooh!
Mine used to be that.
Kanino mo natutunan yan, Don?
Natutunan ko yan sa mga best friend ko. Nung
May point,
bata
may point.
pa ako. Yeah, books before. Ilan yun? B7 ba yun? Ilang B's yun? Books
talaga?
before. Lahat yun B nag-i-start. Books before boys because boys brings babies. Oh, girls, alam nyo na, mga below 18 dyan. Books before boys because boys brings babies.
Ay, nako. Kung tayo natututunan po ng ating mga barangay. Hashtag LM4M Wanted Sweetheart. Mamaya, babasahin po natin ang mga mensahe nyo. Thank you very much. Actually, nakapili na po ng dalawa. Meron na po kami napili dito. Meron na napili. Mamaya si Donna pipili, okay? So,
Ronalyn.
Tweet lang kayo, ha?
What's your motto in life?
Wait lang.
Okay, baguhin natin yung tanong.
Ay.
What's your favorite animal? Sana ako anong paborito
Ano
mong
ba
animal?
nangyayari sa'yo dyan?
Kinakabahan po ako eh.
Kinakabahan ka? Huwag kang kabahan.
Huwag kang kabahan. Huwag kang kabahan. Gusto mo ba si ano? Hello?
Hello?
Si Donna, nasan? Ay, si Rona pala. Rona. Nandito na ako. Ronalyn.
Is this you, Ronalyn?
Kinakabahan po kasi ako kay Ate Don eh.
Ayun, natiten
Ay.
sa'yo.
Oh!
Hindi siya
Huwag kang
makapagsalita ng
kabahan, ikaw naman.
kinakabahan sa'yo because na-starstruck ka? Na-starstruck?
Opo.
Yun! That's why.
Huwag ka dyan magalan.
Nagsishake siya eh. Nagsishake yata si Rona eh.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
Yan. Sige, describe yourself.
What's your favorite color?
Pink po.
Pink.
Pink, okay.
Is your room pink?
Yung skin niya pink. Medyo chubby yata. Oink, oink ata eh.
Okay. Back to the wanted sweetheart topic.
Ayan.
Mahilig ka ba sa kalbo o may buhok? O mahaba ang buhok?
Gusto ko yung mga linya ng tanong mo, ha?
Para mabago naman.
Okay.
Ano, may buhok, kalbo, o mahaba ang buhok? May buhok lang, yung sakto lang. Parang kay Papa Dan.
Yeah. Okay. Yung mga tatanong doon sa fansign, dalawa pa lang po yung napipili namin. 3 pa po ang gagawan po ng fansign. So, tweet lang kayo, ha? Okay, go. Tapos?
Papa Dan.
Oh.
Pwede yung request?
Ay, bawal. Ano ang request mo?
Pa-FS.
Fansign?
Pansayin daw kay Papa Dan.
Oh, wala ka ng sweetheart. Hello. Okay lang. Para fair tayo, no? Di ba? Kasi maraming tweet dito, Donna. Sobrang dami. Alam mo, there 1,002 na tweets na nanghihinang fansign mo.
Really?
1,002 tweets
Oh my gosh.
for your fansign. Kaya mong gawan lahat yon? 1,000 fansign?
Hindi ko alam. Am I getting paid for this?
Well, we're just gonna choose 5. 5 people, ha? 1,000, we're not gonna...
No, I'm kidding. I really would. Talaga.
Kaya
Kung kaya ko lang.
Of course. Okay. Trending na. Hashtag books before boys because boys bring babies.
Baby.
Okay. Fine. Opo, Rona?
Hello?
Rona, malaki yung boses mo, di ba? Nag-aaral ka pa ba?
Opo.
Okay. Para sa'yo, Donna, ilang taon dapat bago magka-boyfriend or ano ang isang...
Hindi naman nagmamatter. Pero I was young when... It was stupid though. Stupid kasi kapag
At least na-realize
pa lang eh. Stupid pag...
Saka nasa States ka nun?
Opo.
Oh, yun.
Pero kapag kapag the right time is actually maybe when you're 16, 17, 18.
18, I
Yung
guess.
mga ganun. Kasi nagkakaroon ka na ng tunay na pakiramdam nun eh. Hindi na joke time.
Yun, no?
Ako unang na in love.
Seryoso ka, ha? Pumupuso po, mga kaibigan. Hello?
Hello?
Okay, Rona.
Hello?
So, fan ka pala ni Ate Donna mo.
Oo naman po.
Sobrang. Okay. Hello?
Hello?
So, did you call because you wanted a sweetheart?
Opo.
Really? How long have you been single?
6 months?
6 months na.
6 months na.
How is it? How is it being single for 6 months?
No, she's 6 months pregnant, I think.
Oh. Like, wait lang.
Hello? Hindi, biro lang. Hello?
Hello?
Oh.
How does it feel being single for 6 months? Do you feel sad? Free?
Ano daw feeling, ate, na 6 months ka ng bakante, walang trabaho? Ha?
Ayos lang.
Okay lang?
Ay lang.
Alam mo, hindi siya makasalita, kinakabahan siya sa'yo. I
Okay.
think, hindi siya makapagsalita because of you.
Oh, alis na ako. Sige.
Nagulat ka ba? Nagulat ka?
Opo.
Okay. Wala ka
Huwag kang ma-tense, baby girl.
Sige, ano ba gusto mong tanong kay Donna?
May gusto kang tanong?
Opo.
Ay,
Sige,
ano
go.
yun?
If you wanna ask her anything, go ahead.
May boyfriend ka po ba?
You have a
Wala.
boyfriend right now?
I just said I'm single.
Yun. Donna Lynn, for the record, is single but never alone.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
right. Inaaliw ko ang sarili ko.
Yeah.
That's why you've been
So,
seeing crazy posts of
Yun,
me.
Single po. Single na single, si Donna Lynn Bartolome.
Not available though. Off limits muna.
Yun lang. Yun lang.
Give me 2 months.
Give me, 2 months daw, 2 months. Okay, ayun. So, hello, ate?
Hello?
Rona, right? Sino yung celebrity mo na lookalike? Yan.
Ay, wala.
Hindi pwedeng wala dito. Dali.
Wala po.
Hindi pwedeng wala.
Kahit konti lang. Kahit konting patak.
Wala po talaga.
Ano na?
Wala po.
Kahawig lang. Aba, may kahawig ka bang hayop? Animal. Kamukha. Meron? Wala na, nauubusan na tayo. May kamukha ka bang color? Ganun.
Is your hair dyed? Is it black? Curly?
Or alive? Ano bang, hindi. May kulay bang buhok mo, ate?
Hindi po.
Ha?
Black lang.
Black lang.
Curly, straight.
Curly.
Curly.
Hello?
Hello?
Okay. So, huwag ka masyadong kabahan. Mamaya, Donna, after nito, magkakaroon tayo ng, we'll be, accepting mga calls. Pero mabilis lang. 1 question lang and then quick answer, tas baba nila yung phone. So, we're gonna do that.
Okay.
Di ba? Para masasaya.
Yes.
So, anything you want to ask Donna, mga kabarangay, about, what she loves to do, eat, blah, 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 blah. So, mabilis lang na question, and then sagot agad mabilis si Donna, and then on to the next caller later. Okay?
Okay.
That's fun.
Can't wait.
Yun, no? Okay, hello. Hi, Rona. Ito na yung guy na pangarap ng lolo mo para sa'yo. Ito na yun.
Hello?
Yan o. Hello, bro.
Hello, Papa Dan.
Pare, hindi na si Papa Dan ang DJ ngayon, pare. Kasama natin may co-DJ, Donalyn Bartolome. Donna,
Hello.
take over.
What's your name?
Gab po.
Gab. Is that right? Gab?
Yes.
Kamusta ka, Gab? Kamusta ang iyong gabi?
Haggard.
Haggard. Haggard.
Saan mo nakakita ng tinanong kumusta ang gabi, Haggard?
Galing trabaho ba?
Trabaho. Anong trabaho mo, boss?
Merchandise.
Merchandise. Sa grocery?
Yes.
Yon, siya yung nag-aayos-ayos ng mga
First time po, Papa Dan.
First
Naku,
time.
nakaka-haggard nga yan.
Naman.
Hi, Ma'am Donalyn.
Hello there. Pero mabait naman ako. Binabalik ko naman kung saan ko nilalagay. Ay, kung kinukuha yung mga bagay na hindi ko naman bibilin.
Yeah. Oo nga, may
ako
ganun kasi, no?
Oh, pero minsan, kapag tinatamad ako, dyan na lang.
Oo, ayun.
Dyan na lang.
Oo, ayan. Hello, pare.
Hello po.
Ang dahil na nagtutweet dito. Thank you very much sa mga... Hello?
Hello.
Oh! Hello? Wait lang, pare. Donalyn.
Yes?
Our friends from Francis M. Clothing Company. This is a clothing line.
Yeah?
They want to say hello to you. And they're asking
Hello.
if you want the shirts. This is a Pinoy Pride, you know.
Wow.
This is sort of like the official Pinoy
Definitely.
Oh, yes. Sir Itoy is tuned
Yes.
in. Our friends from FMCC.
Right.
He
Right.
sent me a message. So he's asking if you want
Yes,
shirts.
of course.
Yes, wear it proud. The Pinas shirts, 3 stars in one sun. Of course. There's your answer. Okay, so there.
Oh, please message me sa requestdonna@gmail.com for that. Please.
Yun na po, mga kabarangay. Ayan, no? Mukhang tumi 3 stars and the sun. Ayan.
Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to wear something like that.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
As in Pinoy, they have the...
Para ma-post ko man lang sa Facebook ko, I'm Filipino.
Yun! Mismo na. They're gonna give you a lot of shirts. I swear. You're gonna, you know, that's Pinas represent
Yes.
Philippines.
Of course.
So you bring it anywhere. So, ayun.
Anyways, Gab, mahilig ka ba sa mga kulot na girls?
Opo.
Okay.
Yun na. Okay.
Kinikilig na ako kagad. Ano ba? Anong height mo?
5'6" po.
5'6".
5'6".
And how old are you?
21.
21 years old. Single dad? Ano ka ba? May anak ka na ba, pare?
Bali,
Ano? Okay ka lang?
po. Kinakabahan po ako dun.
Bakit, pare? Huwag kang kabahan, ganun talaga. Pag hindi ka kilala... teka, may tanong ako kay Donna. Donna,
Yes.
ikaw ba nakipag-eyeball ka na?
Hindi pa, pero na-try ko yung phone pal because I was bored. Tapos, lagi lang ako nasa bahay. I can't go out. Sobrang strict ng parents ko noon. So, I was doing the phone padding thing. Nakikidial lang ako ng kung ano-anong number.
Yun
Tapos, syempre, na-turn off ako kasi yung ka-phone pal ko, sabi niya ba naman sa akin, sabihin mo muna, mahal mo ko. What? Mahal na kagad? Love na kagad? Kaya tinigil ko na yung phone pal na yan. Pero eyeball, wala pa. Sa mga followers ko lang. Doon lang ako nakikipag-meet.
Yun. So, pero saka pwede naman makita sa,
Yeah, yun na lang.
online,
Chat na lang. Mamaya, yung eyeball ko pala,
Delikado no?
Delicate na.
Okay. Hello, pare.
Hello po.
Ikaw ba pag nakipag-date ka, anong susuot mo pag nag-date kayo? Ayan. Mahalaga ba sa'yo yan? Tinapansin mo ba yan? Yung dating, yung suot?
Medyo, syempre. Pero nakakaano yun. Kasi paano kung iba yung tipong klase yung susuotin ng babae, tapos napag-uusapan kaya ba yun na, hey, I'm gonna wear hip-hop-ish. Hey, I'm gonna wear formal.
Speaking of, pare,
Yes.
bago ako sumagot tatanungin natin, ano bang forma mo doon on a typical day? You're most comfy. Oh, yeah. Sige.
Lately, I'm wearing rubber shoes.
Okay.
A lot. Tapos, pag mag-shorts man ako, lagi ako naka-long sleeve like this.
Okay.
Yeah, tapos,
Do you have a stylist?
yes,
Okay.
si Dayan.
Nice.
Pero ako lang madalas
Ikaw din yung pumipili ng kulay.
Yeah. Tapos, kapag magte-tank top ako, kailangan naka-jeans ako ng pantalon. Parang lagi ko nile-level sa
Yun. Saka depende sa weather, no?
Yes,
Sa
yun
Pinas,
din. Depende rin sa weather. That's right.
Pero pag nasa States ka, saan ka ba sa Amerika?
Ngayon, I'm all around the world. Pero I'm, nasa Japan po talaga naka-base yung family ko. So, that's my home.
Okay. Pero,
For now.
because, ayun. So, pare.
Anong susuotin mo? Anong kulay ng damit ang gusto mong suotin sa date?
Yun. Bro,
Gab.
tinatanong ka, pare.
Gab.
Hello?
Gab. Wala na.
Nawala. Kinuha na po siya, mga kaibigan. Sumama na po sa... Hello? Hello?
Gab.
Gab. He's gone.
Hello.
It's really sad.
Oh, bye.
Rona? Ayan. Rona.
Sorry, Rona. Nawala si Gab.
Okay.
po.
Okay.
Your potential sweetheart. Sana.
Yun na,
Di
sayang naman.
bale, there are many
Yun.
potential sweethearts
Exactly. Huwag mapapagod, huwag matatakot na
out there. That's
maubusan.
right. Malay mo, he's not meant for you.
Yun na nga.
There's another one. The next caller is...
Naman, no? You know what, Donna, I'm checking out the FMCC shirts. I'm on their Facebook. You can type it
Mm-hmm.
You know Francis M?
Yes,
you know,
of
yes.
course.
There.
Francis M.
That's his clothing line. Francis,
right.
that's Francis
I've
M.
heard about it.
Yes, and
Francis.
I wear that like a lot, like almost every day. Kasi it's Pinas represent, so we wear it
Right.
proud. So they're asking me right now how to send the shirts to you, and or if they're gonna give it to you ng personal now. So later we're gonna talk about it.
Maybe, yes.
They got a lot of cool shirts at para sa iyo yun. Okay, so Rona,
Hello.
Subukan ulit natin.
Sige po.
Okay lang?
Okay lang po.
Ito na po mga kabarangay. Para po sa mga kabarangay natin na naghahanap po ng sweetheart si Rona ay nandito. At yung mga fan sign nga pala, thank you very much. We're gonna start doing the fan signs in a bit. At i-announce na po namin kung sino po ang mga winner natin. Hashtag LM4M. Yun po mga kabarangay. At yun, twitter.com/papadan971ls. At yun. So you just choose the shirt kung available pa yan. You can go to Facebook. And yun. Ate?
Hello.
Rona?
Po.
May lalaki dito na gusto makipagkilala sa'yo. Gusto mo mapakinggan yung boses niya?
Sige po.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, Papa Dan. Sorry, naputol.
Yun!
Ay!
Same guy!
Yan,
Swerte
Gab!
Wow Ang hirap tumawag pare
Ganun talaga pag meant to be.
Oh! Alam na. Hello.
Hello, Papa Dan.
Oh, ayan. Pare.
Medyo na-
Hello, Gab. I was asking about paano ka mananamit. Pag magdi-date kayo kung sakali ng babaeng gusto mo.
Okay. Ano ba unahin ko? Yung sa taas? Yung sa baba?
Sa taas muna. Sige, sa taas muna tayo.
Ayan.
T-shirt.
T-shirt?
T-shirt? Ano may blue corner?
Very
Ano yan?
simple.
Naka-FMCC ka ba? Ano ba?
Pupo shirt.
Fubu shirt.
Body fit.
Ha?
Body fit. Pupo shirt.
Ano nangyayari sa line
Medyo
mo?
Hello?
Hello, Papa Dan.
May dumaan na trend.
Oo nga eh. Baka masagasaan ka, tumabi ka, Brad. Kung
Sa